Two spaghetti or one spaghetti, one macaroni?
Hey, we don't want macaroni anymore in the house. I'm tired. You know. Sunana na wela.
Sunana le na mare. Lingsi. Yeah.
My good.
Thank you. Ana vini kamo. My friend and I want to dye our hair and we don't know which color to go for. So there's this color, caramel blonde, and this color, peach blonde. So we're stuck in between the two. We don't know which color we want to. So I asked him to make a decision as to like which color we're dyeing because I'm tired of having black hair. I want to like dye my ends and stuff or like tips. Now I'm waiting for him to make the decision. My little brother's upset now because I'm taking forever. Guningi. I mean, I give one.
Look how much domestos. Take 20 rand.
I don't want to get copyrighted, so mute this part of the vlog. I'll just show you what I got. So I can't decrease the volume because of my dad.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over the watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around the two to make big pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Philly acres, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get
Welcome back.
I wasn't able to start this vlog properly, but hey guys, how are you? I hope you're well. That's not how I start my vlog. Wait, what it is? What's up? It's your girl. I'm the girl will never be, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video and welcome to another vlog. I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. Oh yeah, I think it's the app's name. Yeah, so I don't know how long this video is going to be, whether it's a weekend vlog, a day vlog. I'm not going to do another weekly vlog. Those are tiring. I'm sorry. Now I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna unplait my hair and I want to dye it, but I don't know if I'm gonna dye it today, so we'll see, because I have to dye with my friend. I ended up getting let me show you. I ended up getting this dye, beach blonde. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look, but it looks like
Betul lah, flash aku release slow, ne? Slow. Why release flash? Oh, should I release it? Release ah? Okay, so I just had a driving lesson with my little brother. It stopped recording because I don't have space. So. And the only reason I don't have space is because I haven't uploaded that video, the vlog. So I can't delete the vlog on my phone because I haven't uploaded the weekly vlog. But I was having a driving lesson with my little brother, and yeah, we're going to be doing more of this because my dad gave me the car. He's like, I can take the car because there's so many cars in the house, but they hardly use this car. So he was like, I can take this car once I get my learners, once I get my license. With my learners, I can learn how to drive it. And then with my license, I can officially like take the car. So we basically call it by car. and my little brother's the one that drives me around most of the time. So today he like unkenzedi lesson. It's embarrassing that my little brother has to teach me, but I don't care. I don't care, honey. This is soon I will be driving this thing alone with no help. So yeah, and obviously I'm gonna go to driving lessons. I'm gonna go for driving lessons. So there's that. So you see, in no time I'll be perfect. But with there's a little snippet like that he took before, like I ran out of space. You could tell that I'm a learner, like even the way I hold it, like it gets so. I can't wait to drive, get relax to someone. Get on my running, guys. Like, yeah, this year is all about goals. So we're getting that learners, we're getting that license, we're getting that everything. So there's that. Now I just want to unplug my hair, and then I don't think I'm gonna dye it today. I'm gonna dye it probably tomorrow. I'm going to dye it tomorrow with my friend. So yeah, let's go and unplait my hair, and I can't wait to see how it looks when I dye the whole hair. Yo! Hi guys, I'm currently at McDonald's. I'm just grabbing something to eat. I'm from church. I just bought a charger. My charger wasn't working yesterday. It stopped working, but it's an old charger, so it makes sense. So it stopped working, and now hell is going on? I just slipped. So it stopped working, so I had to come and buy a new one. And yeah, so I'm just currently having lunch, something to eat. My parents don't know that I'm in go McDonald's. They're gonna be like, "You're spending your money, it's nice thing. You don't buy us." So yeah, I'm not gonna tell them that I eat McDonald's. So I wanna eat it here, so they don't see when I get home. Because I love them, but I spend so much money on them, guys. Even my mom was like, "No, you spend so much money." 160. Can I get to 60? I think maybe get to 68. Can never get to 68. Thank you. I'm gonna unplait my hair when I get home because my charger stopped working yesterday. I had to come to the mall to come and buy a new charger. I bought it, and yeah, that's really about it. I went to church, came back. How messy my hair is, guys. Buy me a frontal. Frontal. So for some weird reason, I make fizz.
Hi, what's Hey, Rasta.
Some man came to me right now, saying cause like he's marketing and stuff like that, and he was like, "Ukupa like something to eat and stuff." Guys, you see like the 30 rand nazo meal. That's what I bought. Kimngate edition. Look, I don't like burgers. I was never gonna give him my fries. I'm sorry, I'm nice, but not to that extent. I was never going to give him my fries, but Kimngate bag. Shame, man. This one, right? Home. So I just want to unplait my hair. Mama wants me to cook now, guys. It's 1. I'm only gonna eat at like 5. Can I just cook at 2? I have to unplait my hair. I've been saying this, I'm sure, for the like 10th time now. This entire video, that's all I said. I'm doing it for real this time.
To the L to the O P. You can catch me at a track, titty slime with your hoes. Popping out at party, gotta put me to a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boys. in the winter, in the summer, pop out every night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that.
This is the girlie's hair. I don't know if I should prep. Okay, I won't show properly, but this is my hair. It's so dirty, you can literally see. So I don't know if I should wash it first and dye, or should I just let it dye. I think it lets it dye.
Fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm SINGLE. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass free.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that back turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over the watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds and they fully thinking someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get more when you still on me? How you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, eating cheese and that's the rat. It ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and gonna fuck the same hoe, how you do that?
I'm going to do all of this outside, man. I'm afraid of missing in the house. Guys, I am so worried. It's yellow. And I blame my friend because he's the one that picked the color. How is oh my gosh, I'm about to make the biggest mistake of my life. My mom says she'll be the only one that judges me. No one else is gonna judge me, just her. And I was supposed to dye with my friend, but he's still at church. So I'm just gonna do it on my own. I've never dyed my own hair. I always let people do it for me. The first time I did it, my sister did it for me. So now I'm gonna have to do it alone. I must try not to mix on the car, otherwise they're gonna kill me. Because I put my phone on top of the car. Hey, you need engage.
Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over the watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
So I'm wearing a plastic. This is, I don't think it's gonna look as yellow as I thought, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna buy another one and dye it extra. Because when I rena di what cap, re berekisa di plastic. The shower cap is on. And I have it, I just don't know where I put it. But it's fine, I'll use this. I'm going to leave it on for 45 minutes and we'll see. Right now I'm going to cook. It's Mother's Day, my mom's not cooking and I don't cook on weekends, so just for today I'll cook.
Go. If y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new port.
Okay, at least I yellow, mama. At least I yellow. Ish, make it so he like get away, mara. Oh, mutim. Oh, Kosiam.
Wanna shoot, I got aim. I'm like Johnny Dane. When it comes to change, throw out one in this arm. Hit
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, up in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Ay, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen.
This is my new hair color. I don't know if you can see. It's not properly dyed, but I'm going to buy another dye maybe this week. I'll see, and then I'll dye it again just to make it extra gold. Cause this is not enough for me. Like, I'm happy, but I'm not happy. Yeah, well, I want it like gold, so we'll see. Yeah, so I'll just buy another dye. Let me just finish up cooking. Yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, my lips are dry, by the way. But bye.
So I'm doing it again. This is the next day. I went to buy a dye again. I know this might be a mistake. My hair might fall off apparently, but I don't care. I'm doing it again. I want it to be lighter, so I'll show you guys the results. So I think it's coming together. I just put the conditioner. I'm leaving it on for 3 to 5 minutes.
By saying that he asked her about rumor and claiming that she didn't.
Like Rashidaboo. Hey! It's giving ice spice. It's giving. It makes me look lighter. Oh my gosh.
David says before his words are.
Let me wash it off.
So here's the final look. Let me go to the sun and show you how it looks. This is how it looks. It's actually golder than it actually is. Like, you see on camera, it's not as gold. If you see it in real life, it's so gold, it's crazy. It's very, very gold. Look.
And so the director which that conversation with was success is more
Perm.
and so it was